Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. I'm Mr. Woods, and this is...
You can make art with that?
Wow!
Where I'm going to use non-traditional art items to create projects. So today we're going to use a straw and some ink, and we're going to create an awesome tree. So now, let's begin. So I'm using a black India ink and just a straw. No pencils, no paintbrushes, nothing else. I'm going to push my air through the straw to propel the ink across the paper to create a tree. Now, if you don't have India ink, you can use watercolor or an acrylic, but it needs to be fairly thin. So I'm going to add the drops right there at the end. And it's all about how you angle yourself. So I'm going to first push the trunk up, and then I'm going to work side to side to make the large branches, and then the little limbs will be last. Now go side to side when you're blowing through your straw. And then when you're looking at your ink, if it's still has a glare or a shine from the lights, that means it's not quite dry, and you could still produce some little finger branches. Vary your angles up. And definitely have some cover paper. And there you have it. I'm going to let that dry. I am very satisfied with my tree, and I have to save this tree for next week because we're going to add some color to it. So make a couple trees, have fun, figure out the correct angle for you to push that trunk up to get the branches to form, and have fun. That's what it's all about, having fun. So take a couple pictures, submit them into Facebook for me so I can see your trees. I'm so thrilled that you decided to join me right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. This is one of my favorite non-traditional art projects, taking the straw, blowing the ink, creating a tree. If you also enjoyed it, please upload your photo onto Facebook. Also, save it for next Sunday because we're going to be using it on our next art project. So keep being original, keep being creative, most importantly, keep having fun. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.